Dahmer's refrigerator, more than mustard. In a tidy apartment located at 924 North 25th Street in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, was a refrigerator. It was clean and organized with condiments lined up in the door. On July 22, 1991, when a police officer opened the door, he found the following: 4 severed heads, 2 human hearts, a chunk of arm, mustard, baking soda, ketchup, A1 sauce, and a pan on the bottom to catch any bloody drips. In his freezer was an entire human torso in a bag filled with organs and flesh. After the trial, there was talk of auctioning off his household goods and giving the funds to the families of his victims. Instead, a group of civic-minded Milwaukee business people raised money to buy the contents of the apartment and to have them destroyed. They didn't want the auction and further publicity to be a blight on their city. On June 28, 1996, a truckload of Dahmer's possessions were destroyed. 2 years before that, on November 28, 1994, Jeffrey Dahmer had been killed by a fellow inmate at the Columbia Correctional Institute in Portage, Wisconsin.